Okay, sorry about that interruption. I lost battery power there. Anyways, there's 8 bolts. There's 4, 6, 8 as you go underneath the fascia here. Plus you have the 2 torque 25s that hold you on the end. You know, the trick to putting this on is to take your time, but it all clicks right into place. You start at one end, start at the corner, over either corner, start here pushing it in, and it just falls all right into place. By the time you get to the other side, it should line up perfectly. And of course, let's see here, we got everything in place. We decided to put the mud flaps on, so we're going to get those installed right now. And I guess I could show you, it's a hidden hitch. You can see the receptacle coming down right here right now. And there's a plastic plate right here that I can put back into place, and it's completely hidden. Or I can stick in that little doohickey right now, but we're not going to do that right now. We're not even going to put the plate pieces right. Where the heck did I put it? Well, it's not important, I guess. It amazes me how you can't keep track of shit in my life. I just had it like 4 minutes ago. Anyways, it's pretty easy. I do not know where I put that, but I'm not gonna bore you with it. But anyways, there is a plastic thing that you can put here back on here, and it hides it. Not really necessary. I'm gonna probably have the hitch on almost all the time. You know what I'm saying? I'll take it off occasionally, of course. But we're gonna install these mud flaps. We'll show you what that looks like when that's done. And then we're gonna also run that wire all the way up to the front battery. So we're gonna, I gotta jack up I'll have to pull the car out and get the passenger side jacked up so I can get my head under there and get some work done when I get up towards the front. Anyways, to run that wire for the modulite that runs the lights for the trailer, for the flat pole connector, connector. Anyways, let me get rolling on this.